brown stew chicken, Jamaican style, some peas and rice, red peas and rice, and we have pre-seasoned our chicken and we're starting to brown them individually. We're browning them by batch. I've seasoned one whole 4-pound chicken and I've cut it up, removed all the skin, and we have marinated it for about an hour and we're cooking it right now. We're browning it and then you'll see the result. Nice. I'm stirring up my peas and rice. The peas are well done, cooked to perfection. Yeah, how do you know when it's done? When it's tender to the touch. You can use your hand and touch it, or put it on something and touch it. You'll find out it's done. Okay. Now we're going to add our rice and salt to taste. We're going to add rice and salt to taste. Don't put it on me when you leave. We're now adding some salt in the rice and peas, about a tablespoon. We're adding a tablespoon of salt. Now we're adding our picked and clean rice, about 2 pounds. For the beans and rice, we've used about 1 cup of red beans. And now we're adding the cleaned washed rice into the peas. Coconut cream is there, rice, seasoning, pimento seed, scallions, garlic. It's all in there. I have at least about 4 cups of liquid in this pot. It's gonna be, as soon as it comes to a boil, I'll reduce the fire. I'll reduce the flame. Here we have the rice and peas. Look at this, how beautiful rice and peas. As soon as it comes to a boil, and we reduce some of this water, we're gonna cover. Make sure you taste your water so the rice will taste good when you're done. We're gonna taste our liquid. And that's real good. You don't need it no saltier than that, but if you do, you can add a little more according to your taste. Alright. And we're going to leave it to simmer, boil a little. Simmer. If the water is too much, I can always take some out. Alright. Our chicken is browning over here. Chicken is browning. And we're going to add a few more pieces to the pot. Okay. We're browning the chicken. Browning. And as soon as it browns, we're going to take out and add some more chicken. Okay, this chicken it's cooking while it's browning. So it's gonna be, it's gonna take a little time, at least all time from start to finish, about 45 minutes to an hour. We're gonna pause for a moment. We'll be right back. It has been 45 minutes. So now my chicken is completely browned. So I'm going to add some chopped potatoes and carrots. I'm going to add a tablespoon of flour as well. We're going to need gravy for the kids. We're going to need some gravy, extra gravy. And we're getting the gravy ready. We're stirring up some carrots and potatoes. We're going to have some gravy ready as well. And we're going to add the chicken to this. And we're going to simmer it. We're now adding the pieces of chicken back to the pot. We're actually going to turn it out in there. And we're going to add like a half a cup to 1 cup of water. Never hear this. Now we have successfully browned our chicken. We're going to simmer in the sauce for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. 15 to 30 minutes. Depends on how soft you want your chicken, how tender. Okay? And you can taste your gravy and see how salty or whatever. You can taste it. Make your gravy to taste. Yeah. We're now going to simmer this thing right down. Make sure we have enough gravy. Let it cover for this pot thing. Now we're covering. It's going to simmer for about 15 to 30 minutes. I'll be back in 30 minutes. And my rice and peas is ready. Wow, smelling so good. Nice fresh coconut cream. Look at it. Nice, moist, and delicious. Not too soft, not too hard, just right. Alright, I'm going to cover that and let it air out for a little bit. Now my chicken is ready, and we're going to show you the Now my chicken is ready, and we're going to show you the consistency of the sauce. Here it is. Kids like gravy. Here it is, nice and thick and rich. There it is, nice, smooth, with a little sweetness from the carrots and a little potato, if you like. If not, just go along normal. Now, our chicken is ready. Our chicken is ready to be served, and we're gonna try it and see. Here is the rice and beans, and we're gonna add a piece of chicken, and we're gonna put some gravy, piece of carrot, and some sauce, piece of potato, and we're all ready. Our Jamaican rice and beans is ready. Voila! I have my grandson try it out. Beautiful. Beautiful rice and beans and chicken.
somebody's.
On the top shelf, one back the leg. Not in a drop on the top. Okay, you left it. You left it on back with now. So you gotta eat some and say, this is so delicious. Oh, you have to cut it down.
This is so good and so delicious.
So.